Sub-assembly, assembling, main shaft. Ensure the parts are clean before assembling. Before assembling the main shaft, check the gear teeth using a magnifying lens. Check the dog teeth and slots for damage or excessive wear. Measure the inner diameter of M4 and M5 gear. Check the bushes for wear or damage. Measure the outer diameter of M4 and M5 bush. Calculate the gear to bush clearance of M4 and M5. Measure the inner diameter of M4 bush. Check the main shaft splines and sliding surface for abnormal wear or damage. Measure the outer diameter of main shaft at M4 gear and bush sliding area. Calculate the M4 bush to shaft clearance. Replace the components if they do not meet the service limit. Before installation, apply moly oil on M4 and M5 gear inner surface. M4 and M5 bush whole surface. Moly oil is a mixture of molybdenum disulfide grease and engine oil in a ratio of 1:1. Lubricate the main shaft, gears and washers with engine oil. Now install M4 bush. Install M4 gear. Install spline washer. Always install washers with the chamfered end facing towards the thrust side. Install circlip. Always replace with new ones. Always install the circlip with the chamfered end facing towards the thrust side. Always seat the end of the circlip on the high portion of the spline. Install M3 gear. Install circlip. Install spline washer. Install M5 spline bush. Align the oil hole in the spline bush with the oil hole in the main shaft. Install M5 gear. Install M2 gear. Finally, install the thrust washer.